If you're creating a new Shirtsy dropship shop using Wix to host your website, we're here to guide you through the process of adjusting products and shop options to make your online store truly your own. If you haven't yet connected your Shirtsy account with your Wix account, click the information link at the top right to learn how to do that first before you start editing your shop. Let's get started. Step 1. Once your Shirtsy and Wix accounts have been linked, and you've sent your design to your website, log in to your Wix account. Step 2. Look for the Store tab in the left-hand menu. Click on it to reveal a world of customization options. Step 3. To adjust product details, click on Products. Here you can add new products, update existing ones, and fine-tune product descriptions, prices, and images to showcase your unique brand. Step 4. You will want to organize your products into categories. No problem. Wix makes it easy. Under the Store Products tab on the left, click Categories. From here you can click the Add New Category button at the top right, or just click the large plus sign next to your last category. From here you will be provided with options to add a title, description, image, and what products you would like to put into the category. Once complete, you can click Save at the top right to automatically add that category to your shop. Step 5. Now let's customize your shop settings. Return to the Store tab and click on Settings. Here you can modify payment methods, shipping options, tax settings, and more. It's all about tailoring the shopping experience to your target audience. Step 6. Don't forget about the visual aspect. Wix offers a range of beautiful, professionally designed templates to choose from. Simply click on Design and explore the various themes until you find the perfect match for your brand. Step 7. Once you've made all the adjustments you desire, be sure to preview your changes to see how your website will look to visitors. This will help you ensure everything is just right before going live. That's it. With Wix's user-friendly platform, you have the power to customize your product details, shop settings, and overall website design to reflect your brand's personality and captivate your customers. Remember, our team at Shirtsy is always here to support you along the way. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our dedicated support team. Thank you for choosing Shirtsy as your dropshipping partner.